In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your rear door handle. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do to replace your handle is to have the door open and make your way right along this area. You're going to find your door seal, but behind it, you'll also find a black trap door. Carefully pop that out of place. Once you have that off of there, have a look inside this area. You're going to be looking for a T30 headed screw. Once you find that, continue on by loosening it to the point that you can make your way to the outer handle and grab onto it to start removing it. Here we are. Careful not to drop your bit inside there. Once you have the screw loose, continue on out here with your plastic trim tool. You want to try to remove this area without damaging the paint on your vehicle. Now we can grab the handle and slide it towards the area that we just removed. Now I can pull it away from the vehicle. There it is, friends. It's a good idea to wipe down the area where you're going to put your new handle. Now it's time to install our handle. We want to pay attention to the hooks along the backside here. First, we're going to press them straight in, and then we'll slide it forward. Slide it forward. Now we can get this piece installed as well. To do this, I'll go ahead and pull on my handle a little bit, and now I can slide this into place. Once it's in there, we can go ahead and open up that door and start in our mounting bolt. After it's started, snug it up. There we are, bottomed out. Just make sure it's tight. Continue on with your plastic cover. Now just test the door handle functionality. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.